Hey, my name is Emmanuel Lunk and this is Ready for the Lifestyle. And in this video, I'm actually going to talk about a business credit line extended by Wells Fargo. So before I start this video, subscribe to my channel so you can get all the latest tips and tricks and advice on business, photography, and also product reviews and a lot of fun stuff. And don't forget to check the description for the businesscreditasap.com course where I teach you guys how to get funding and other cool stuff for business, obviously. Well, let's get to this card. So before I get in detail about the business credit line that I got from Wells Fargo, I want you guys to also understand that I'm taking the necessary steps in order to build business credit to get the approvals that I'm actually getting, that I'm showing you in most of these videos. So I want you to actually take the time out to do your due diligence and build your credit as well. So let me get into some of the features of this card right here. Number one feature is that they offer a 0 annual fee for the first year. The second feature is upon approval, which you can get from 5 to about 100,000. Me, I actually got about 25,000 from them, and it's actually revolving line. So you can use this just like a credit card or a loan that you can pay back and take back out again and again and again. And the third feature is you actually don't need any collateral to obtain this. So another feature is that they actually give you checks that you can write out. If you have to pay a bill from this account, you'll be able to do that too. And you can use it wherever Visa and MasterCard logo is accepted. So at the time of my approval, my credit score is about 725. And my business Dun & Bradstreet score was about 85. And most of my approvals, that's what they're requiring, something above an 80 score. And hopefully, you know, if you have a 720, that's perfect. I've seen lower scores somewhere in the 700s though, where they're still approving people, but for lower amounts. So another feature about this card is that it helps you build business credit. Yes, I said business credit. So if you're trying to build business credit, this will be perfect for you because they do report to Dun & Bradstreet and Experian Business. So that's all I have on this topic. I know you guys are wondering why he has his hood on, but that's a whole nother story. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check the description below. I'll leave a link to how I actually got these approvals. It's called businesscreditasap.com, and it'll teach you all the fundamentals of funding your business or your lifestyle. See you again.